I'm Samah Salaime. I'm a social worker, activist, feminist, and blogger. I write a lot. And I'm involved in the feminist movement in Israel-Palestine. 12 years ago, I founded AWC, Arab Women the Center. It's a feminist organization based in Lod. And our mission is to promote the status of Palestinian women in the Israeli society. Gender equality is related to national equality, and when we talk about human rights, we talk about women's rights and the Palestinian rights. So in many ways, the balance of power and equity and oppression machine against women use the same tools of the oppression the Palestinian people. For me, it's not a matter of choice. It's a matter of we must collaborate, because Arab women and Jewish women face gender-based violence. We do have specific challenges in each community, but we are both, tracked and being, killed sometimes because we are women, not because we are Arab or Jewish women. So I don't have the privilege to choose. This is something that must be done. If we are talking about circles of oppression and power as a feminist, our role is to deconstruct and to build the the equity and the equality in our society, and not to be part of the oppression roles that the military do. So I do have high expectation of the feminist Jewish movement to say what they think about oppressing the Palestinian women in Gaza and in the West Bank. And we were attacked in AWC at Naam in Lod twice, because if you see the whole picture, you will see that political extremists, the nationalists, and more conservative, the activists from the Arab society and the Jewish society don't like the feminist movement, don't like what we are trying to say about or to promote women's status and freedom and the right of the woman on her body, and fighting early marriage and polygamy and all the patriarchal habits and privilege. So I know that my agenda makes some people angry. And the one time I found myself in court, it was because I published something about the Muslim woman's rights of moving, which is basic right in the Israeli law. And it was after a decision of the Sharia court that forbidden divorced mom from going or travel, because she need the permission of her divorcee or her ex-husband. So I find myself fighting for my freedom of speech, and I think we won that case. I could write and publish what I think, and my opinions and my theory, and I was lucky that I have collaboration and people who support my right to fight for this. Offering legal aid for human rights activists is for many people, many activists, especially the young generation. This is really important, the awareness of what's our rights and what can be done if someone did something to a human rights activist, and to act as a community to support each other, which is very important.